Hey, what's up guys, it's Jack, and as you probably saw in the last video, I'm pretty washed up when it comes to blindfolded Rubik's Cube solving. I'm gonna try to solve the Rubik's Cube blindfolded for a bunch of random people on the internet, and gotta get the, performance practice in, I guess you could say. Okay, let's just do this. Oh, I have no idea what to expect, but boom. Hey, what's up, man? No? Yo. How's it going? Hey, what's up? How's life?
Hi.
Can I solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded for you?
What?
Can I solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded for you?
Okay.
Sure, okay. Give me a sec. Ah, not quite. Almost. Close enough.
That's good.
Thanks. Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I screwed up though. Have a great day.
Wait.
Hello.
Hi, Hi, Filipino.
Dinner?
Filipino. Ah.
It's morning for me right now. Yo.
Hi.
This is really random, but can I solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded for you? Cool. Oh, shit. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
How's life? No? Okay. The goal is to get the same color on all 6 sides. And I'm gonna do it without looking, so... Well, I'll try anyway. So I have to memorize it first, and then I solve it, so it'll take a bit of time.
What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living? I solve Rubik's Cubes. Would you like me to see...
Oh, it's fast, do it fast. Fast, do fast.
Do you have 30 seconds to spare?
Yeah.
I might do it blindfolded. Give me a second.
Oh, yeah, I can do it, too.
Yeah. I guess gotta memorize it. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, it's good.
Thank you.
In fact, I don't want to actually. Oh, no, Reggie. Oh, geez.
Hey.
Oh, you! Hey, stop the Rubik's Cube blindfolded.
Yeah, I did. Hey, what's up, other random people? Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You too. Have a great day. Catch you later. So I hope you enjoyed that video. That was like very different from anything I've ever done before. So just be sure to let me know if you want to see like more of these types of videos. Another thing to mention is that I've started. I'm going to start coaching people again. So whether you want to get faster at blindfolded Rubik's Cube solving, which was what I was doing before, or if by any chance the YouTube algorithm suggests people from the other side of the YouTube world, the non-cubers, to watch this video, then I'm down to teach people how to solve the Rubik's Cube like normally. So just shoot me an email below and I'll get back to you with more details if you're interested. But in the meantime, have a great day. Subscribe if you want or not. I don't really mind. And bye bye. Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah. Oh my god.
How's it going? No? Okay.